Children, please open your V and R World Book, page number 23. Now, students, let's discuss something to do given on page number 23. Children, in this section, we will be discussing few activities based on the things discussed in the lesson. Question number 1. List 3 ways by which you can avoid wastage of food, water and paper at home. Children, it is an activity which I want you to do at home. Children, as I have already discussed with you about the wastage of food, water, paper at home. We should not waste food because nature gives us food to eat, not to waste. Avoid buying too much food. Think twice before throwing food away. Store food correctly. Children, we should not waste water also. Take shorter showers. Water your lawns only when it needs it. Avoid wasting water in the sinks. We should not waste paper at home. Children, use both sides of the paper for writing. Buy recycled paper. Use a handkerchief instead of tissue. Children, I want you to do a small activity at home. I want you to take 3 strips of paper and I want you to write on each strip one way by which you can save food, water and paper. For example, for avoiding food wastage, you can write, do not overfill your plate, and you can paste it in the dining room. For saving water, you can write, avoid wasting water in the sinks, and you can paste this strip in the kitchen or bathroom. For saving paper, you can write, use both sides of the paper for writing. You can paste this strip in your study room. Children, why I am asking you to put in these rooms? You regularly visit these rooms. Children, whenever you read these strips, you keep in mind all these things. Children, this small activity will help us to save our natural resources of environment. Question number 2. Organize a special lunch party where each child brings some special dish of his state, community, family. Students, due to COVID-19, you all are at your home because of safety reasons. So children, during this period, help your mother in preparing your favorite dish of any state and organize party on Zoom app or video calling on WhatsApp app with your friends. For example, you can help your mother to make dhokla, and dhokla is a famous dish of Gujarat. You can make idli also, and idli is a famous dish of South India. You can make stuffed prantha, and stuffed pranthas are famous in Punjab. Children, in this party, you can share the information of the dish your mother made and show your dish to your friend and tell the which state it belongs to. Question number 3. Plan a menu for your family keeping in mind the needs of children as well as the grown-up people. Children, you can plan a menu in which you must include the food items for children as well as for the grown-ups. For example, in breakfast, all children like eggs. For breakfast column, you write eggs, milk, bread. Elderly people also prefer to eat light food in breakfast like milk, bread, porridge. For lunch column, you write dal, vegetables, salad and chapatis. In dinner, every age group likes soups. Seasonal vegetables. Dinner can be followed by desserts, puddings like custard. This is liked by everyone.